I hate it when people lie to me on how to make money with all of this application and sites, because I was actually looking for ways to make money years back, and one thing I came to realize is that is the reputation. You watch every video, it's still the same application, still the same site, and nobody really drives down to tell you guys the truth or tell me the truth, because I actually suffered from this thing. I had to go to this site and then go and suffer, and nobody really taught me how this site actually pays. So in this video, I'm not going to tell you guys, hey, go to this site, you're going to make money, go to that site. I'm literally going to tell you guys, yes, it can actually pay you, but these are the things you're going to face. So my name is Victor. If you're new to my channel, I talk about making money online. So let's continue. The first site you're going to go to, or the first site that has the potential to make you a lot of money, but it's how you use the app or site that determines if you're going to make money or not. It's called. Now, before we continue, you need to know this and know peace. Now, there are two kinds of sites on the internet, and this is how I call them. I call one the hustle site, and I call one the business site. Now, the hustle sites are the sites whereby you go take surveys, like videos, watch, and all of that, and they pay you. Why the business site? These are sites whereby you grow something, you build something over time, and you don't really see the results immediately, but with time, you're definitely going to reap the reward of your labor. Medium.com. Medium.com. This is it. Just tap on it. Now, how can you make money with Medium? Let me explain how you can do it. People make money with Medium is that they write blog posts, and you need to work, guys. So you can see a lot of blog posts here. You can just tap on it. Blog posts that people have written. So what they do is that they educate people on Medium. So you can see here's how much money we earn from 1.3 million YouTube subscribers. So you can see these are a lot of information that now a lot of people will come to Medium and then watch this information. Now, I kid you not, there are affiliate links or link to the people writing this thing, or to the person writing this thing is either linked to the YouTube channel. You can see a YouTube channel here. Yeah, this is a YouTube channel here. So how does this person make money from this thing? What he does is that he writes blog to educate people and then links the blog to something valuable. Let me elaborate. Imagine now I want to make money. Let me imagine I want to make money. Simple. I will write a blog about these applications that I'm about to tell you guys, that I'm telling you guys now that you can use to make money. I'm going to write a blog about them and then take the affiliate link of those applications or those sites, take my own personal affiliate link and then link it to the blogs that I'm writing. So I'm going to write it and I'm going to post it on Medium. When people come and they're interested in writing, they can be reading and be like, okay, wow, this is so, click here to get up. Then they click it, they sign up, they deposit money, I make money. Yes, this is the logic. This is how simple the logic is, but the execution is where there's a problem. You can take the picture of your blog, post it on your WhatsApp or your Facebook for more people to see, and they click on it, go to Medium, go read your article, and they might click on it. When they sign up, you make money. Simple. It's the logic. Website number 2 to make money online is called seller.co. Now let me explain. So this is the best way to sell your digital product online, and especially if you're in Nigeria, you can literally just get your money directed to your account. Direct. There's no any PayPal, you suffer for PayPal. Anyone that just tap on your seller product, then simply you're just going to pay the amount you fix there for the person to pay, and then boom, you get the money, you get the alert. So how do you make money with seller.co, and then where do you even get product to even put in there? And you can create products. 2, you can collaborate with people to create certain products and then put it here and then put it there. 3, there are free products on free sites, like this site called Free PLR. You can just tap on the first link just to scroll down, and then you can come down to the categories. You now look at the categories of information that you want to pass or want to even use it to sell. Fitness, you can tap on fitness, get a lot of books, a lot of files. Just tap on this. As you can see, this is it. Yeah, sometimes you can get books, sometimes you can get even courses. So you can see this is a free video course URL. Yeah, so you can just tap on download. And then let's see. So it has started downloading. Let's check the details and see. Okay, so it is downloaded. It's downloading in a zip file. So they've zipped all the information. Probably, maybe even the books is there, the course is there. All you have to do is extract it. This is going to be best done on your system. After you've extracted them, upload it on your seller. Now start to promote it. This is just an idea. If you want me to make a detailed video explaining each and every aspect of these particular apps, like how I should just take one particular app and then explain the whole video on how to go about all of these things, put it down in the comment section. I'm going to do that for you. Now the third site or application is called Hawkit. One of the reasons why I like certain applications or sites is because of the potentials that they have. Now this particular here, this is me here. I'm running an advertisement, and you can see this advertisement for my application. So you can see here where you could get all your utility bills paid, and look at least the views that I've gotten, and at least the likes, comments. So the potentials for this is that you can also put in your products that you're selling, and you can also do tax. You can earn money, you can do tax here, do social media tax and all of this. You can refer people and earn. So that is also what you can do with the app. You can use the app to list whatever you're also doing. Now look at this thing. You can write an article, and then from Medium you can link it to Hawkit. So I don't know whether you're understanding this thing. It's all about how you can think, what you can do with what you have to make money on the internet. Please, the reason why I'm showing you guys these applications is because there are potentials to it. You can literally twist with this application. You can play around with it. You can think of, okay, what can I mix, what can I add up, what can I do in a different way to make money, to add money, to how can I link all of these things up to make more money. So that is it. That's why I'm kind of bringing for you guys certain kind of application. I don't know why I don't really believe in a lot of applications out there, some crazy kind of applications that you have to go watch videos, click, like. But if you want me to be making those kind of videos, then there's no problem. I can make it. Just put down in the comment section, Victor, make those kind of videos that I'll just like, watch videos and do surveys and sleep and make money. Then I will make it videos for you guys. But let's continue. Now the fourth application to make the money with in 2024 is called cheaperdata.com.ng, and that is my own application. Yes, I'm the co-founder of cheaperdata.com.ng, where you can get your utility bills. Now how can you make money with cheaperdata.com.ng? It's simple. You resell data to people. Let me just show you guys cheaperdata.com.ng. here, this is it. It just take you to the site, or you could just go to Play Store and then download it from Play Store. Well, let me just log in through my application. So here's my app. You have to create an account, but me, I've created my account already. So here is cheaperdata.com.ng. What you can do is just to buy data for people. You can just tap on data, and then let's the network, select the plan, select the plan you want, and then you put in a number and go ahead and then just buy. Just tap on buy data, and then boom, it's ready. Sell data and then put your own profit and then make money. And one other thing you don't know about my application is that I have a particular course on the selling data. Yeah, so I have a full course on selling data, and when you partner and then become a reseller on the platform, you get access to that course, and you can also resell it all rights free. You can resell the course for free. So when you register on the application, you can just meet me. I'll put my contact me link below. Contact me there, so you can just contact me. Tell me, Victor, I've registered on the platform and I want the course, and the course I'm going to give you the course for 1,000 naira only, and then you can resell the course for whatever amount you want, all rights free. There's no any copyright for the course. It's free the moment you just pay the 1,000 for the course, and that is it. So you can resell the course for whatever amount you want. So the last site or application to make money online, guys, is YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Now this is 2024, and if you're not growing a YouTube channel, I don't know what you're doing. If you can take my hands back and you give me all the social media platforms to start up all over again, I'm going to pick YouTube. There's a reason why I'm going to pick YouTube. Now YouTube is a place of value. YouTube is a video based value platform. That means you get value from YouTube. Some people can post a video, or some people have posted videos for years, but those videos are still relevant till now. That is the power of YouTube. Create a YouTube channel and focus on growing that channel. Teach people whatever you know. Guys. Teach people whatever you know. Now, I cannot elaborate and extensively explain how to make money on just one video, guys. So I really need your help. If you enjoy this video and you want me to make more videos again, or take certain aspects and elaborate on those aspects of the site or apps that I've just mentioned, please put it down in the comment section and I will do that for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Please like this video if you like it, and turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop a video you're going to get notified. And also share the video to your friends that might need it. Thank you very much. I love you guys.